All right, let's see your dirty clubs. Let's try them out in this little bag here. You got a driver, and what is this one here? What size is it? A 6-iron, 9-iron?
9-iron.
Okay, well, let's see how your clubs get clean. You can scrub them, and then I have a towel.
Put it in here?
Yep. Like, put some friction on it. Oh, up and down, up and down. Yeah, we're going to scrub it. I'll let you do them all over the... Just easier to watch someone else do it. One hand, it sucks. But he scrubbed it. I think it's clean. You want to wash it off with
pretty good.
With my towel that I use to wash my balls. Yeah, like I said, if you're interested, check it out. The link's in the description below. So, thank you for allowing me to look at your dirty club. You want to try the driver real quick?
Yeah,
see if it fits in here?
Fits in there. This one would be kind of hard.
The driver's kind of too big. It won't work for a driver. It's just irons. Oh, you got it in there. If you have like a big birthday head, you might be screwed. But it's good to get out and do a couple rounds with some good guys. Talk a little crap, have a little fun. Just keep trying to get better each year. Oh my gosh, I can't see it so bright.
Dang it, clean off all that dirt on there.
Exactly. Let me see. Oh gosh, look at the glory. Thank you for sharing your clubs.